Hey everyone, I'm James. Welcome to another episode of Follow Suits. Today I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of something that science deniers love to hate, and that's gravity. Along with not believing that the Earth is a globe, many of them don't believe in gravity. I know, it's a thing. They'll say that everything can be explained by density and buoyancy. Leave it at that, and they never ask why density and buoyancy actually works. When they see stuff floating, whether it's on air or water, they'll often say things like, what, is gravity taking the day off? Or they think that gravity is somehow being selective and not acting on those things that are floating. No, gravity is always on, it's always acting on everything all the time and can't be turned off. To show this, I have a simple demonstration set up. And to help me out, I brought along an assistant. So this is my demonstration. I have a simple digital kitchen scale. It's an Ozeri model ZK010, in case you're interested. And I have my frog, and I have a bowl of water. So I'm going to turn on the scale. And it's set to grams. So I'm going to take the frog and measure that. And it's 33 grams. I'm going to take my water. And it's exactly 1,000 grams. So now, if I put the frog in the water, according to flat earthers, it should still weigh 1,000 grams. But we'll see what happens. So it actually weighs 1,033 grams. It's the weight of the water plus the weight of the frog. So even though the frog is floating, there's still something applying 33 grams of pressure to the scale. And that's gravity pulling the frog down, trying to pull it down through the water. So it weighs just as much when it's floating as it did when it was directly on the scale. And if I apply pressure to the frog, you'll see the weight is going up. And I haven't even got my fingers in the water yet. If I take the pressure off, the weight goes down. So as you can see, something can float and still be affected by gravity just as much as if it were on solid ground. Science deniers somehow think that floating means you're defying gravity, and that simply isn't the case. Gravity is still attracting the water and the frog in the downward direction, as evidenced by the fact that the scale went up by the weight of the frog, even though the frog was floating. The higher density water was simply preventing the lower density frog from sinking, but it's still trying to go down. It's not defying gravity. So that'll wrap up this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.